Preach like Chynna. Hey everybody, this is Bob Cargill. Preach like Chynna. Chynna Phillips Baldwin, the famous singer from the group Wilson Phillips. Remember that song, Hold On? I love that song. A big hit. And Chynna is a big hit today on YouTube with her series, California Preachin. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Chynna gives us a look behind the scenes at her personal life and talks a lot about her faith, her Christianity, as well as everything she is up to in both their personal and professional lives. She is very genuine, very candid, very authentic, very transparent. That's how you do it on social media. Hey, I walk around like she does doing videos, but I don't have tens of thousands of viewers, subscribers like she does. She is a huge hit. And I'm a proponent of how she does it and a lot of what she has to say. You don't have to be like Chynna Phillips Baldwin, a celebrity, a superstar, someone who everybody knows, to be a hit on social media. You just have to preach like she does. And you can preach about whatever, whoever you are, whatever you do. If you want to be a big hit on social media, preach like Chynna.